Customer complained there's a big grinding sound coming from the rear. Wow. Driving like that for a while too, that's crazy. That tire could have come out any minute, but the wheel bearing. This is crazy. That's how much play this wheel bearing has. You suck, bro. No, not that.
I told you, said yeah. Bro, don't you gotta unscrew this too?
What? What are you talking about?
This.
No. Oh my god, this is gonna be.
All power.
No, imagine that bearing. Damn, that shit probably gonna be seized.
It's gonna be seized?
You got WD-40?
No, but you know what we can use?
Oh.
The brake thing.
What?
Brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner?
It's a part. It's still a certain substance of lubricant, bro. You know that, right? You could use that.
It's no lubricant there.
Sure?
Yeah. Pretty sure, bro.
You want to at least try?
Nah, it's gonna waste it.
Okay.
Suspense.
Look at it. Look at it.
Guys, we're back at it after severe time hammering and beating down on the bearing.
Oh my lord.
Disgusting.
That is nasty.
But we finally got it removed. And this is the only thing I use. Crow. Best thing on the market to penetrate and lose like rust, corrosion, bolts, anything stuck. I didn't even have to use the torch or anything. Yep. That's it, guys. We got the new bearing installed. Actual no rotor, the wheel speed sensor, the brake caliper. We had to retract it with the Power Pro. But yeah, it was a bitch, but we got it done.